First, we will cover Frederick Winslow Taylor's scientific management theory. Frederick Taylor was born in 1856 in a relatively wealthy family and was originally planning to become a lawyer, like his father. But due to some problems with his vision, he decided to take up a different profession and joined as an apprentice machinist in a factory belonging to a family friend. In this role, he got first-hand experience of what it means to work in a factory as a worker. And later on, when he eventually got promoted, he gained experience as a manager. He completed a degree in mechanical engineering in 1883 through correspondence. And for many years, Taylor worked as a consulting engineer, during which he developed and perfected his management system. In 1898, he joined as an executive at the Bethlehem Steel Company. So this was the place where he could implement almost all aspects of his management principles in one place, and he could show that his principles led to an increase in efficiency, an increase in production, and an increase in profits. He published the Principles of Scientific Management as a series of articles in a magazine, which were later collated and published as a book. The mid-1800s and the early 1900s was also the period when the Industrial Revolution was underway. More and more things were being manufactured in large scale in factories. Taylor's work contributed significantly to the development of the factory system during this Industrial Revolution. Taylor suggested that there may be several ways of completing some work. But through scientific analysis of the work, we should identify the one best way and replicate that one best way. He was known for his time and motion studies, that is, breaking a job into its components and measuring each part in terms of the time taken and the motion applied in completing that job. He was one of the first to suggest the study of management as a discipline, which could be documented and taught to new managers, rather than having them to learn everything through trial and error. He coined the phrase scientific management, which meant that the principles used in the learning and teaching of pure sciences could be applied to management as well. In Bethlehem Steel Works, he studied various aspects of management while setting up a piece rate wage system. And incidentally, this piece rate wage system, which rewards productivity, is still in use today. Taylor's view was that the best results can be achieved through the partnership between a trained and qualified management and a cooperative and innovative workforce. And both are important for running a successful and profitable business.